Welcome back to the Tech Couch, and today we're going to show you how to fix a broken or missing AirPod Pro bud or how to change the buds. So essentially one of our buds broke and it was kind of hanging there. There was no way to really fix it, so we had to pull it off. And without those, basically you can't really use them properly. So we got these replacements. They're about $10 from Apple. There's multiple sizes you could choose from. We got a 4-pack here, and we're just going to change them all to small. So this is just a quick look. Basically, to pull this off, you just want to carefully grab this, and it kind of clicks out, just like that. Now you have the AirPods without the buds. And check out this box. Essentially, this was about 10 bucks more use out of AirPods. So I'm gonna push that in, and it just clicks in. That's it. These are the small ones. Basically, just line it up, clicks in, and now it's in there, and there you go, just like new.